You're already working as an analyst, but still feel stuck. Every roadmap you see for freshers, they all talk the same. But nobody talks about the real struggle or the pain after getting the job. How do we grow? How do we become more valuable? How do we go beyond dashboard and reporting? Then this video is for you because I lived that. I grow myself from a 4-5 LPA CTC to a 5-6X in few years. I'll show you how even you can do the same. If you are new to the channel, welcome to Analytics Everywhere. I'm Suprajit Basu and I work as a lead business analyst with a global business. The new roadmap for 2026 does not have no more extra tools, no more extra certificates too. I'll talk about 5 layers which will make you a decisions driver. So let's break each one of them. The first one is a business thinking. This is where 90% analysts fail because business does not wake up asking you, hey, build a dashboard, right? What they ask? They ask why sales are dropping, why customers are churning, why we have so much of cost. So a decisions driver will understand the revenue models, the trade-offs, the unit economics, and the other factors of the analysis. You have to think like a business leader, maybe founder, or maybe a product analyst. Layer 2, data foundation, but done right. Yes, SQL, Python, Power BI, Excel still matters, but you don't write a SQL query to show off your skills. You write SQL queries to validate a hypothesis, show a early trend, maybe catch a data lies, or ask a better follow-up questions. You don't need a fancy code. You need a clean logic, a strong assumption, and a clear join, because in 2026, thinking beats syntax. Layer 3, analytical depth. This is where you separate analysts from operators. Now, what does analytical depth mean? Core analysis, fun analysis, root cause analysis, scenario modeling, sensitive analysis. Not just what happened, but why did it happen? What will happen next? You understand, right? But decisions driver don't stop at insights. They go one level deeper and until the decision is made. Layer 4, decisions and influence skills. This is one of the underrated skills in analytics. You can be right, but still be ignored because you don't know how to tell a story from your data. So decisions driver know how to tell stories with data, simplify complexity, speak leadership language, disagree respectfully. So they don't jump numbers, they guide you the numbers, right? So in 2026, the communication is not a soft skill, it's your career multiplier. Final layer, the layer 5, which is AI. AI as a force multiplier. Now AI is not optional anymore, right? You can see AI is everywhere. Use AI to speed up your analysis, to test scenarios, generate hypotheses, draft insights, challenge your own thinking or your own analysis, okay? So you should use AI to do the heavy lifting or the monotonous work or the kind of work takes time but does not have much of a thinking or decisions, right? You take the decisions, let AI do your regular or the monotonous job, and that's how you live and use AI. If you still wait for the requirements, build a dashboard nobody uses, check your vanity metrics, build data blindly, and avoid business meetings or the business communications, then you are becoming a reporting machine, and a reporting machine can be replaced quite easily. So here is my list of recommendations what you should follow in 2026 to grow from where you are right now to our next level. First, ask why before how. Second, challenge the bad metric. Third, recommend actions, not only the chart. Fourth, connect insights to money. Fifth, use AI intentionally. Why? Because your analysis should end with one question, that what we should do next. If you learn something valuable, please do like. Also share with someone who is also looking out for a job change or trying to switch from a junior analyst to a senior one or trying to grow from their current role, right? And please do follow Analytics Everywhere because I'm going to bring such a content analyst and for different analytical role. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.